Hello everyone, welcome to BI Consulting Pro, and in this video I'm gonna let you know best advanced data analytics software tools. If you are looking to make your career into data analytics, then you should learn these tools. You can learn either all of the tools or at least you can learn 2 to 3 tools which are going to change your career drastically. That means you would grow in your career exponentially if you are going to learn these tools. Let's first understand what is advanced data analytics. Well, according to Gartner, the definition of advanced data analytics is it is the autonomous or semi-autonomous examination of data or content using sophisticated techniques and tools, typically beyond those of traditional business intelligence tools, to discover deeper insights, make predictions, or generate recommendations. Basically, when you have to perform this predictive analytics or descriptive analytics, in those senses, you can use these advanced data analytics tools. In your day-to-day work, you would use these tools, and those are going to help you to discover the data insights, data visualizations, and also to create AI or prediction models. If you really are interested in making your career into advanced data analytics, then you should go with these tools. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Now, on your screen, you can see all the names of the tools that we are going to talk about today. But before going further, please note that I'm not going to go deeper into these tools, definitions, advantages, and disadvantages. I'm going to just describe briefly about these. If you are interested more or you need to know more information about these tools, please don't forget to put your comment in the comment section. So let's discuss the very first tool over here, which is the R or Python language. We all know that R is really good in terms of statistical analysis, while Python is really good in terms of data science. R and Python are the top programming languages used in the data analytics field. Both are the open source and you can download directly from their websites. They comes with a lot of advantages. For example, Python, you can use it for advanced data analytics or for data science purposes. It's very simple. It's like your normal English language and you can learn it very easily. It's also great for mathematical computations and learning how algorithm works. And not only that, in case of Python, you would get high ease of deployment and reproducibility. If we talk about the R language, it's widely considered the best tool for making beautiful graphs and visualization. It has many functionalities of data analysis and it's great tool for statistical analysis as I just explained to you a bit moments earlier. Second comes Excel. With over 750 million users worldwide, Microsoft Excel is traditional tool for choice for presenting and analyzing data. We all are very well aware about the Microsoft Office and it's just a part of Microsoft Office. I know you are already aware about Excel, how to use it, and in one way or another you are already using it into your offices or your day-to-day work or even in your school or colleges. But you can also perform advanced analytics using Excel. You can use Power Query, you can connect with hundreds of data sources, you can use your VB language into this one. Not only that, you can automate tasks using Excel, plus you can also use Power Pivot or to connect with your SQL Server analysis cubes. So there are lots of things that you can do that. You can use your DAX into Excel. Overall, it's a complete package. So whether you are going into data analysis or any other field, one way or another, you have to use the Excel. So I'll recommend you to please start learning advanced features of Excel. That's gonna change your life drastically in terms of your day-to-day work. Tableau is a very famous tool. Even in the Gartner's Magic Quadrant that released every year, it always comes to the number first or number second. And no doubt there is a huge job market for Tableau. It would give you the real-time analysis. You can collaboration with the data, you can do the data blending, and there's a lot of advantages of using it which you can see on your screen, like high performance, mobile friendly, extensive customer resources, easy to upgrade, low cost, quality of customer, and ease of use. So if you're really looking to learn one tool that is very famous around the globe in terms of data visualization and advanced data analytics, then Tableau is one of them. Next comes the RapidMiner. RapidMiner is a comprehensive data science platform with visual work design and full automation. It means that we don't have to do the coding for data mining tasks. You can directly use this platform and you can start using its user interface to do the data mining task. RapidMiner is one of the most popular data science tools. So if you are going into the data science field or advanced analytics, then I'll recommend you to start using this one. The next comes the Nine. I'm not sure exactly we pronounce it K9 or Nine, but let's say it's Nine. Nine is the contains information miner, is a free and open source data analytics, reporting and integration platform. It integrates various components of machine learning and data mining through its modular data pipelining, building blocks of analytics concept. It allows users to visually create data flows or pipelines, selectively execute some or all analysis steps, and later inspect the results, models, user interactive widgets, and views. It is written in Java and based on Eclipse. So if you are familiar with the Java, then I recommend you to go with that. Now let's talk about Power BI. Power BI has been market leader for many years in terms of advanced data analytics as well as business intelligence or self-service intelligence. Power BI is an interactive data visualization software developed by Microsoft with primary focus on business intelligence. It is a part of Microsoft Power Platform. It gives you a lot of advantages. For example, it can integrate seamlessly with existing applications. You can create rich personalized dashboards. You can publish your reports on cloud, or even you can use the on-premise. No memory and speed constraints are over there. Extracting business intelligence rapidly and accurately. Also, you can balance simplicity with the performance, and not only that, you will get support for advanced data services. That means you can perform AI and advanced analytics using Power BI. Power BI is being offered into many licenses, so you can choose what is best for you, whether you want to do the advanced analytics or the performance is very important for you, or even if you have a smaller organization, there also you can use it. But trust me, this is the tool that you really want to learn because most of the organizations are using Microsoft products and it can integrate seamlessly with them. Not only that, its interface is similar to Excel or Microsoft PowerPoint, which makes it very easier, intuitive, and user friendly. So I'll definitely support that if you are looking to make a career into BI or data visualization or in advanced data analytics field. Next comes the Apache Spark. It's an open source unified analytics engine for large scale data processing. If you are working on big data, then this is your tool. Spark provides an interface for programming clusters with implicit data parallelism and fault tolerance. Why should you go for that? Well, it's simple, fast, scalable, and unified. And it gives you a lot of advantages as well, like batch streamlining of data, SQL analytics, data science at scalable, machine learning, everything you will get into this one. Now let's talk about the ClickSense. Click has two products mainly. One is ClickView, another is ClickSense. ClickSense was introduced around 2015, but before that there was a ClickView. Both products are excellent and most of the banks around the world are using these products. So if you are looking to make your career into the banking in advanced data analysis or advanced data analytics field, then I'll recommend you to go with this tool. Now let's talk about the Talent. So Talent is basically an ETL tool for data integration. It provides software solutions for data preparation, data quality, data integration, application integration, data management, and big data. Talent has a separate product for all these solutions. And one of the best advantage of this tool is that you can use with any cloud provider. For example, the top cloud provider, which are AWS, Azure, Snowflake, and Google Cloud. Splunk. Well, this is new, isn't it? Splunk is a software platform to search, analyze, and visualize the machine-generated data gathered from the websites, applications, sensors, devices, etc., which make up your IT infrastructure and business. Splunk's extensible data platform powers unified security, full-stack observability, and limitless custom applications. It is being trusted by 92 out of the Fortune 100 companies. MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is always a visionary and leaders in terms of BI tools. MicroStrategy BI and analytics platform helps enterprises build and deploy cloud-based hyper-intelligent apps so you can transform your business. MicroStrategy provides a single, cohesive offering that empowers both IT professionals and business users to fully harness the power of their data. MicroStrategy is the only analytics platform on the market that combines enterprise-grade performance, scalability, and security with easy-to-use interface and workflows. With MicroStrategy, you can connect to 200 plus data sources and build beautiful books of powerful analytics using Workstation, whether you are using PC or Mac. It helps you to quickly deploy consumer-grade BI experience for every role on any device, with a platform that provides sub-second response at enterprise scale. Not only that, it embeds zero-click answers and one-click action directly into the website, applications, and device people use every day. Alteryx. Alteryx is also another very popular software when it comes to the BI or advanced analytics field. It is a software solution that allows users to quickly access, manipulate, analyze, and output data. Many of the organizations around the world are using this tool. Using Alteryx, data can be read and returned to the files, database, and APIs. It also comes with functionality that enables predictive analytics and geospatial analysis. It has many advantages. For example, you will get superb user experience and an outstanding community. You will get excellent computational speed. You will get comprehensive geospatial analysis. Also, you will get programming and extensibility. And lastly, you can do the predictive analytics using Alteryx. Now let's talk about my recommendation. What I'm going to recommend you to start your career with. If you are new or you have some experience and you are still confused which tools to use and which not to, then my very first recommendation in terms of using a data visualization tool would be Power BI. If you are working in a banking sector or finance sector, then go with the ClickView. And if your work is more towards the data analysis or doing a lot of statistical analysis, then please go with the Tableau. So either of these tools for data visualization, you can choose either Power BI, Tableau, or ClickSense. All are having a huge job market. And trust me, you won't regret your decision. If you are looking to do more data analysis using a language, then I'll recommend you to start using Python. R is also a very good language to learn and do the statistical analysis or visualization, but I'll recommend Python because Python is really very easy to learn in my experience. And also it provides you a lot of flexibility when you are working on the data science projects. So these are my recommendations for you. You can choose either of the tool, but please start learning Python too. If you are looking your career in any of the data field, whether it's a data analysis, data scientist, AI, or any field regarding the data, Python is going to be your best buddy. So Python is must for you, according to me. It's my recommendation. And out of these three tools, Power BI, ClickSense, or Tableau, you can start learning anyone. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you have any question or concern, please do connect with us and don't forget to share your feedback. Also, if you are over here for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest Power BI updates and videos.